This how to 1 minute will show you how to set up expire WordPress post after a specific date and time. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up this function. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new. And search here publish press future. And you have to install this plugin. Publish press future automatically unpublish WordPress post. Once the plugin installed, make sure to activate it. And now here you will get the future option. So click on future to jump into the plugin settings page. Make sure to select settings and now select the general tab, and here you can change the date format. You can change time format from here. Default date time offset. I'm going to make this form blank. Now go to the display tab, and if you want to show the post expiry in your post footer, then select enable, but I'm going to disable this option. And then go to the post type section and come to this post type section, and here click on this action drop down and select the option. I'm selecting delete. So after the expiry date, the post will be automatically deleted. You can also select remove all current. You can select here change status to trash, change status to draft. So select any option from here. Once done, make sure to save changes, and then I'm going to creating a new post. And giving the post title how to expire WordPress post after specific date, and here I'm typing some random text. And now select the post option here and scroll down. Here you will get the publish press option. So click on this, enable future action. Now select here the date you want to expire the post. Select here the time. And now publish the post, and the post will be automatically delete after the expiry date and time. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.